Namaste. Welcome to Bharatiya Kala Samskriti's 4th annual cultural event. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, a not-for-profit organization, was founded in 2016 with the vision of promoting Indian arts and culture. As part of this vision, we conduct music and dance recitals, Sanskritam study groups, and also sponsor scholarships to deserving students of arts. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, in collaboration with Sumaniketan, a not-for-profit school for the underprivileged, conducts Sumanjali, an annual cultural event to bring more awareness among the underprivileged children about our Indian arts and culture. Swanubhava, an initiation of Sri T.M. Krishna Garu to promote our Indian arts and culture among children, was first conducted in Hyderabad by Bharatiya Kala Samskriti. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti has also conducted several workshops in the past 4 years in Carnatic music, music therapy and dance. Our sincere gratitude to all the volunteers, sponsors and donors without whose help and support this would not have been possible. We are very happy to have you all join us for our 4th annual cultural event. Thank you. Namaste. It is with great pleasure I'm coming forward before you to say that our 12-week of celebration, Bharatiya Kala Samskriti's 4th annual cultural event celebration, is coming to an end with today's Mangalam. Thank you very much all for being a part of our annual celebrations. As part of this event, we have done a series in Sanskritam with all the students who have been learning Sanskritam in Sanskrita Kalashala of Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, and then the music gurus who have very graciously been a part of this celebration with their students and coming forward with the Ramayanam series with different concepts. And then last but not the least, we have the dance series Sundara Kanda, for which the gurus and their students have performed Abhinaya for M.S. Ramarao Gari rendition in Telugu. First, I would like to thank all the participating gurus for being a part of this celebration along with their students. And secondly, I would like to thank all the parents for very patiently supporting their children at home during this pandemic time, and without whose help this would not have been possible. And the participants themselves, I greatly appreciate the effort that all the children have put in during these times. Staying home for such a long period of time for children is not an easy thing. And in spite of that, they have utilized their time very productively and have participated in our annual event, apart from all the other activities that they have been participating in. And my special thanks to all the gurus for because teaching online is not easy, and for many gurus this is their first time, and it is not only teaching but also being a part of the celebration. So they have to really prepare the students for the event with deadlines and all. So I know how much of effort has gone into with in the making of each of these videos. So I greatly appreciate all the gurus for teaching the students and making this happen a very successful event. And another thing I would like to mention here is, especially with the dance part, the dance series is a continuous event where every part is dependent on the other part. So unless they are able to give me with the video, it would have been impossible for me to make this happen. If it is, if each part or each episode is independent of itself, then it would have been a different story. So, but I really greatly appreciate the effort put in by all the gurus and the students. I would also like to thank and appreciate all the Sanskritam students who have participated in our annual event. It definitely is a great challenge for them too to be a part of this event, because this is their first time learning Sanskritam, and in spite of that they have very enthusiastically participated with little guidance, so which is very encouraging for me. And then the volunteers, without whose help none of these videos would have been uploaded on YouTube. So I have very great volunteers who are committed to help me and who have done it with all their heart to be a part of this celebration. So my sincere thanks and gratitude to all these volunteers. They are already playing different roles as mothers, and as they are also working. Some of them are working and helping out their family in other ways, and in spite of that they have chose to put aside some time for Bharatiya Kala Samskriti. My deepest gratitude for all these volunteers. My sincere thanks to all the donors. Your donations not only helped Bharatiya Kala Samskriti sponsor scholarships to 8 talented students of music and dance, but also gave us the opportunity to show our gratitude to our audio person Chandan and Mridangam Sir Muralidhar Garu, who have been with us for the past 4 years, and photographer Shiva Prasad Garu, who has been with us the past couple of years by supporting them during these difficult times. Thank you all once again for your generosity, and your thoughtfulness is greatly appreciated. Thank you very much. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the well-wishers who always are there with me, giving me the moral support that I need by assuring me that they are there to support me in every initiation that I take up. It is very comforting to know that you have such friends who support you with unwavering thoughts. Thank you very much, all of you, for being with me and making every initiation of Bharatiya Kala Samskriti a grand success. Thank you very much. And then the viewers. Some of you have been religiously watching all our videos and sharing your very sincere, constructive feedback with which we can, make better productions in the future. I thank one and all, with a lot of gratitude for being a part of our annual event. Thank you very much. So thank you very much once again, once and all. Thank you.
Namaste. I am Arundhati Shenoy. First, I would like to thank Srivani Garu and the whole BKS team for giving us an opportunity to perform for Sundarakandam. I also would like to thank Swapna Krishnamohan Garu for thinking about this theme, Sundarakandam, which has been truly a blessed experience for all of us. I always listen to Hanuman Chalisa every day. So when this opportunity came up to perform and choreograph for Sundarakandam, I just had to do it. When I heard Sundarakandam by M.S. Ramarao Garu in Telugu, the very first challenge was the language. I understood very little Telugu, so I asked for help, and one of my students' parent, Jyotsna Burra, helped me with word-to-word translation and helped me with complete translation for part 3 of Sundarakanda. I am truly grateful for her. Now coming to online versus stage experience. With online, we can re-record until we are satisfied with our video. So that's a huge advantage there. But there is no stage experience, there is no audience, and just the environment is not there. So given a choice between online and stage, I would rather do it on stage. Now with the experience regarding teaching online versus in person, there are challenges with online teaching where the left to right mix-ups happened, and then there were delay in the internet, so there was a video lag while teaching. So all those challenges we had to overcome. The only advantage of online teaching is that students can log in from anywhere. Even if they are out of town, they can still log in for classes. So that is the advantage of online classes, I feel. I am truly grateful and blessed to have art during these challenging times. This art has been a great source of joy and peace. I am thankful for my husband for his unwavering support. I also would like to thank my entire family for their love and support. I would like to thank Shrivani Garu for challenging us as artists, because this was the first time I choreographed for something like this. I had never done something like this before. Thank you Shrivani Garu and the BKS team, and I would look forward to many more such opportunities in the future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Saryu, and being a part of this Sundarakanda, I feel very lucky, and it was a very unique experience and made me feel more self-reliant. The fun part of this virtual performance was the online practice we had, and most importantly, it made me feel more confident about my dance than I used to feel earlier.
My name is Vedanvita, and I am a student of Srimati Swapna Krishna Mohan. Being part of Sundarakanda was a very unique experience. I also learned an important part of the Ramayana. The fun part about the virtual performance was decorating my home as a stage.
Coming to Sundarakanda, it is a redo from daily regular dance class. It is about the epic Ramayana, Rama, Sita, Ravana and Hanuma, who is a devotee of Rama. I have learned about how Hanuma faces all the obstacles to find Sita Ma. So in our life also, if we are determined, we can reach our goals very easily. Thank you Bharati Kala Samskriti for giving me this wonderful opportunity to perform. Thank you ma'am for encouraging me and motivating me. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
Namaste everyone. First, I would like to congratulate Bharatiya Kala Samskriti for their 4th annual cultural event. At this pandemic situation, the only way to interact with teachers and others is to be online. My experience of being a part of such a beautiful program was really nice, and at the same time it was challenging because I was making, singing and sending videos to my Guru Swapna ma'am. The fun about learning for this virtual program is that I learned my part with no face-to-face interactions or direct contacts with anyone. I was learning my part by just being online. This made learning more fun than usual. I am feeling really blessed to be a part of a program like this. Thank you.
First, I would like to congratulate the Bharatiya Kala Samskriti for their 4th annual cultural event. During this pandemic situation, the opportunity to perform in the Sundarakanda was very interesting and challenging. The virtual learning was really fun due to the quizzes and games that we played. We also improved our dance movements.
Namaskaram. My name is Rachna Govindayapalli and I am a student of Guru Srimati Swapna Krishnamohan. During these tough times, the Sundarakanda was a great diversion for all of us to channel our energy into something that we enjoy. When I and my mother initially started the Sundarakanda choreography, it was just for fun, just to show our devotion through dance. And now through the Sundarakanda dance series, it's truly fascinating to see what each teacher has to bring to the Sundarakanda. The beautiful choreographies, the devotion of each dancer is truly beautiful.
Namaste, I'm Kaveri Thilu. I'm currently studying in my 9th grade. It's my pleasure to be part of Sundarakanda and it is also a beautiful experience for me. And this is my all-time inspiration. I especially thank my Guru, Gautami Kumar and Bharatiya Kala Samskruti for giving a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Satvika. I am Srimati Gautami Mam's student from Hara Nadyalaya. Because of this experience, I was able to learn more about Ramayana as well as Sundarakanda. I was also able to learn more about gods like Rama, Sita, Lakshmana and Hanuman. Thank you.
Let me start with thanking Bharatiya Kala Samskruti for giving me opportunities even in these unprecedented times. I am happy to be associated with Bharatiya Kala Samskruti from 2018. Hello everyone, my name is Varshita Medisetti, a disciple of Lasya Ranjani Dance School. I have been learning Andhanatyam classical dance from Guru Srimati Rekha Garu since 2014. I have performed at various stages including Potti Sri Ramula University, Ravindra Bharati, Vijayawada, Vemulavada and so on, and have won many awards. People say that gurus only open doors for you and the rest is your responsibility. But Rekha ma'am actually held my hand and stepped inside with me. She is extremely encouraging and supportive. She has taught me every step with so much affection, dedication and passion and has corrected my every mistake with so much patience. Thank you so much ma'am. It is said that behind every successful man, there is a woman. Similarly, behind every child, there is a mother. She supported me tirelessly, even in this pandemic, with her long working hours. Thank you, Mom. I'd like to thank my dad for helping me with all the seemingly small things, but very important things like setting up the stage at home, recording and re-recording with so much patience. Lastly, a big thanks to my little sister for filling every gap and helping me with all the small things. Thank you God for everything.
Namaste, my name is Anishka Devrakunda and I want to thank the organizers of this virtual event and my Guruji for giving me this chance to perform today. In these times I miss having a live audience, but I'm happy to perform remotely.
I would like to thank my Guru, Srimati Sita Chandrasekhar and the organizers of this program for giving me this opportunity to sing the Kriti on Lord Rama. Although I do miss having a live audience to sing in front of, it was really exciting to participate in this virtual event. Thank you for watching.
I would like to thank my Guru, Srimati Sita Chandrasekhar and the organizers for giving me an opportunity to participate in this program and pursue my passion for Carnatic music. It would have been nice to sing in front of a live audience, but given the current situation, I am thankful to participate remotely. Thank you.
I would like to thank my Guru, Ms. Sita Chandrasekhar and the organizers for giving me an opportunity to present this song. I miss having live audience, but given the opportunity in this situation, I was happy to participate remotely.
Hello, I'm Manjari Paida. I stay in Green Grace Apartments. I learned music at the age of 8 and took a break for 25 years. And again I started learning music under Srimati Bhaskar Lalita Garu in the year 2018 December. Music is my passion. It relieves my stress. Srimati Bhaskar Lalita Garu is my guru. She motivates all of us. Her interaction with everyone is so lively. She has created a platform for us in Bharatiya Kala Samskriti. She trains students and makes them confident. She is more than a friend rather than a teacher. Earlier she used to take classes in our apartments. Due to this COVID situation, she started with online classes. We are very happy for the online classes also. She teaches with zeal and enthusiasm and we reciprocate the same. We are very fortunate to have her as a teacher. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Anish. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha.
Thank you, Anisha, for a very good start. So, I would like to introduce myself. This is Kalyani. I'm a teacher and she's my daughter, and I feel very happy to hear this from you where you are saying all about gurus. Today, whatever I am is because of my gurus. So, I thank all my gurus, not only mine, the entire the world, wherever gurus are there, they are very thankful to everyone. I would like to take this opportunity and talk about music and our beloved music teacher, Guru Bhaskar Lalita Garu, and also about these online classes. Okay, so now music makes the world a better world. It's a vent to our emotions and also food for our souls. And from the bottom of the heart, I would like to appreciate my music teacher, Bhaskar Lalita Garu, who made a difference in my daughter's life. I have to say this and I have to thank her, because now wherever my daughter is going, she is identified for her sweet voice, for her knowledge about music, and also she is getting a lot of opportunities wherever she go for having any song and giving any kind of stage performance. Bhaskar Lalita Garu is so down to earth with her true values, and also she's so attached to all the kids that kids love her. Nowadays everything is commercial, but one unique thing that I would like to say about Bhaskar Lalita Garu is she has her values and gives the values to the learners, the young learners, whoever comes to her, which is evident for all the parents. So we are very happy to say that my daughter is under her. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your expertise talent with all the students whoever come to you. Getting opportunity any program is always welcomed by any parent like us. However, this scenario of having online programs is actually, to say, very different and also very difficult. Now whatever we are taking is like separate, we are taking it separately, and I know it is very difficult to have a collage of all this and again conduct a program like this. So my sincere thanks and heartfelt thanks for all the people who are conducting these online programs, which is initiated with a great zeal. Thank you so much.
First, ఈ కోవిడ్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్లో హోమ్ క్లాసెస్కి వెళ్ళడం చాలా రిస్క్ అండ్ చాలా కష్టం కూడా. సో కొన్ని డేస్లో మా మ్యామ్ మాకు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. స్టార్టింగ్లో అనిపించింది ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ అనేవి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా ఉంటాయా, బాగుంటాయా, కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయగలమా మేము అని చెప్పి. కానీ అలా ఒక 2-3 క్లాసెస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వగానే ఇంకా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అనేది పెరుగుతూ వచ్చింది. ఈ వీడియో షూట్ చేయడానికి మీరు మాకు ఇచ్చిన ఛాన్స్, మీరు మాకు ఈ ఛాన్స్ ఇచ్చారు. వెరీ 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 మచ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ మీ అందరికీ. ఫస్ట్ మ్యామ్ మా అందరినీ సెలెక్ట్ చేయడం, మేము ఈగర్గా వెయిట్ చేయడం, ఎవరికి ఏ సాంగ్ ఇస్తారు, మేము ఎలా పాడతాము, వీడియో ఎలా షూట్ చేస్తాము అని చెప్పి కానీ ఆ ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ మాకు థ్రిల్లింగ్గా చాలా బాగుంది. మ్యామ్ మాకు స్లోగా ఒక్కొక్కరికి ఒక్కొక్క సాంగ్ ఇవ్వటం, దాన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయటం, మాలో ఏమైనా తప్పులు అవి ఉంటే కరెక్ట్ చేయడం, ఇవన్నీ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్లోనే. ఎవ్రీ వీక్ మాకు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది అండ్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్. ఈజీగా కోపప్ అవ్వగలిగాము స్లోగా. ఈ వీడియో షూట్ చేయడానికి ఇలా ట్రెడిషనల్గా రెడీ అవ్వటం అది ఇట్స్ వెరీ మచ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్. ఇందులో పేరెంట్స్ కూడా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవ్వటం, వాళ్ళు కూడా మేము పాడేటప్పుడు చూడటం. ఎప్పుడు నార్మల్గా అయితే ఒకవేళ ఫంక్షన్స్కి వాటికి ఏమైనా వెళ్తే పేరెంట్స్ రావచ్చు, రాకపోవచ్చు, వాళ్ళకి వీలు అవ్వచ్చు. కానీ ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళ ముందే పాడుతుంటే ఒక మంచి ఫీలింగ్ అనిపించింది. సో వాళ్ళు షూట్ చేయడం, హడావిడిగా ఇటు అటు రెడీ అయ్యి సెటప్ చేసుకొని అంతా. సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ మచ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ అండ్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఫీలింగ్, గుడ్ టు ఫీల్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. మా అందరికీ ఈ ఛాన్స్ ఇచ్చినందుకు మీ అందరికీ చాలా 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 ధన్యవాదాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello everyone, I'm Srinivas, an IT professional and this is my family. We would like to share our experiences with music, online classes and our children's participation in virtual music programs. As we all know, music is life. That's why our hearts have beats. As music is a sense of life, we have decided to impart music skills in our children. Vidula and Chaitra have been learning Carnatic vocal music under the guidance of Guru Bhaskar Lalita Garu. They have made phenomenal progress in that field. Chaitra and Vidula sings beautiful kirtanas every day and makes our home a great and happy place to live. It fulfills our home with lot of positive energy. People recognize them for their great talent in singing and appreciates their efforts. That makes our children very happy and motivates to aspire more. All these moments would have not been possible without the tireless efforts of Guru Bhaskar Lalita Garu. I take this opportunity to convey our kind regards to Madam for our continuous guidance, uncompromising and unwavering attention to bring great talents from students and for inculcating Indian traditional culture.
Hello everyone, I'm Sravanti. It's a great experience to have online music classes for our children. We are very thankful to Guru Bhaskar Lalita Garu for this initiative during these tough times. Virtual music classes made our children to have continuity and consistency. We convey our gratitude to all the organizers for conducting this virtual music program, which is a different experience altogether.
Hi, I am Vidula. Lalita ma'am teaches music in a very interesting way. She tells us facts about music and she always encourages us to participate in music programs.
Hi everyone, I'm Chaitra. Online or offline, my mom is awesome.
Namaskaram, my name is Shrita and I really enjoyed participating in Bharatiya Kala Samskriti's annual online event this time. And I really enjoyed participating in the flyer making team, and I enjoyed working with Srivani auntie and Ashvi and Pranchi while making the flyers. And I feel like this event has motivated me to look at things from a different perspective, and I think all of us made this event work even though it's online. And not only for violin accompaniment, if we were on stage we would have to tune the violin to a different shruti so that we can accompany properly, but this time it's very easy. We can just play in any shruti, then use some online platform to change the shruti and then mix it together. So that it's more effective and thank you Bharatiya Kala Samskriti and Srivani auntie for giving me this experience and opportunity. Namaste.
Namaskaram. My name is Megha.
My name is Akash.
And today we're here to talk about our experience about the online performance for BKS. So tell me, Akash, how was your experience?
My experience was very nice, and this time because it was online, I got the opportunity to do something creative with the Mridangam and the Kahun, the Jugalbandi. So what about your experience?
It was a very different experience because of the online platform, yet very fulfilling. And Akash and I got the opportunity to play together and perform together after a very long time. So it was great fun.
Yes.
What are some of the challenges that you faced?
Because it was me playing both the instruments, it was a little difficult synchronizing both of them, and also the stitching took a little bit more time. But it was overall it was very good. What about you?
So the song that I was performing was a little bit challenging, yet the online platform gave us the chance to rectify our mistakes through shooting for multiple takes, which I don't think would have been possible during a live performance. We would like to thank Sri Vani Aunty, Shobha Aunty and BKS for giving us this opportunity to showcase our talent. We would also like to thank the viewers for their constructive feedback and good wishes.
And hopefully after this COVID time next year, we can have a live concert. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. It has been a wonderful 12 weeks of celebrating Indian arts and culture through Bharatiya Kala Samskriti's annual event, and so heartening to have listened to Sanskritam language every week. I imagine Bharatiya Kala Samskriti as a satsang or a space which inspires and motivates many of us to become a better version of ourselves. My heartfelt gratitude to the creator of this space, Sri Vani. Those who know Sri Vani personally a little more will agree with me when I say that Bharatiya Kala Samskriti as an organization is as beautiful outside as it is inside, or the other way, as beautiful inside as it is outside. And that is not merely by chance. It's because of what values Sri Vani herself carries and what values she wants the space of Bharatiya Kala Samskriti to hold. Coming to the specific of this event of spanning 3 months, all of us in our roles as participants or teachers or editors have had many learning opportunities in this period. I learned more about Canva and video editing, and having all my students sing Ram Ram Bhajan was a very unique experience for me, especially with everybody, like, we didn't collaborate personally in one space, but at different locations, and still we were able to do that. I think that's something very unique experience for me, and I think the same holds for every teacher and Bharatiya Kala Samskriti as well. Teamwork was at the forefront during this annual event, and I love to listen to Sanskritam videos, music performances and Sundarakanda performance every week. It's just amazing. My heartfelt gratitude to all whom I have come to know in this journey with Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, and pray and wish for all of us to have a learner's attitude always, and may the Almighty's blessings be with all of us always. Thank you.
Namaskara Havani Bhagini. I've always thought learning Sanskrit for me is going to be a challenge and it's going to be very tough. But you've made this a truly wonderful and amazing journey. Thank you so much for your time and patience. I enjoy each class and look forward to the next. You are truly, truly inspiring. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Dhanyavada.
Harihi Om. This is V. Madhulika Sai. I'm a Sanskrit learner. My guru's name is Mrs. Sri Vani. I'm learning Sanskrit since 6 months. Learning Sanskritam is very much fun. My journey throughout this 6 months was amazing. Actually, I had a dream to learn Sanskrit as it is one of our ancient languages in India. So because of Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, I'm able to fulfill my dream. So my only advice to the ones who are hesitating to start their journey in Sanskrit, Bharatiya Kala Samskriti is the best. Thank you.
Namaskara. I am Sahishnu, a Pravesha student of Samskrita Bharati. Today I am going to share my experience in this regard. I have always wanted to learn Sanskrit, but I couldn't until my cousin informed me about the classes conducted by Samskrita Bharati. The classes were very interesting and easy to learn. Our teacher, Srimati Srivani ma'am, had taught us the true essence of Sanskrit and explained every part of the Abhyasa Pustakam very nicely. Samskrita Bharati is also making videos on Ramayana and Mahabharata. It is keeping a culture alive. I am very thankful to Srivani ma'am and Samskrita Bharati for helping me learn Sanskrit. Now I am able to understand and speak Sanskrit. ధన్యవాదాలు.
నమస్తే, నా పేరు నిర్మల. నాకు సంస్కృతం నేర్చుకోవాలనే ఆసక్తి 4 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం ఒక వీడియో చూడటం ద్వారా మొదలయ్యేది. 2500 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం నలంద తక్షశిల విశ్వవిద్యాలయాల్లో చదవడం కోసం దేశ విదేశాల నుంచి ఎంతోమంది వాళ్ళ ప్రాణాలు కూడా లెక్క చేయకుండా ఎడారులు మంచుకొండలు దాటుకుంటూ వచ్చి విద్యను అభ్యసించే వాళ్ళని చెప్పేసి నేను ఆ వీడియోలో చూడటం జరిగింది. ఇక్కడ బోధన అంతా సంస్కృతంలో జరుగుతుంది కాబట్టి వాళ్ళకి సంస్కృతం ఒక్క మొక్క తెలియకపోయినా సంస్కృతం వచ్చిన దేశంలో ఆగి సంవత్సరం కానీ 2 సంవత్సరాలు కానీ సంస్కృతాన్ని పూర్తిగా అభ్యసించి వచ్చి విశ్వవిద్యాలయాల్లో ఆ విద్యను అభ్యసించి వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళ దేశంలో మొత్తం కూడా ఇక్కడ అందుకున్న జ్ఞానాన్ని పంచారని విన్నాను. మరి ఇక్కడే ఉన్న మనము ఆ సంస్కృతాన్ని నేర్చుకోలేకపోతున్నామే అన్న బాధ అనేది నాకు అప్పుడు మొదలైంది. అయితే ఎలా నేర్చుకోవాలో తెలియలేదు. లాస్ట్ ఏప్రిల్లో వాణి మేడం నెంబర్ దొరకటం ద్వారా ఆ గ్రూప్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఆన్లైన్లో ఈ విద్యని అభ్యసించడం జరిగింది. ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ తీసుకోవడమే కాకుండా అవి రికార్డు కూడా చేసి మేము మరలా విని ఇంకా నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఎంతో సహకరించారు. భూదేవికున్నంత ఓర్పు సహనంతో మేడం ఎన్నిసార్లైనా ఎంత ఓర్పుతోటి చిన్న పిల్లలకు కూడా ఎంతో చక్కగా నేర్పించేవాళ్ళు. ఈ సుభాషితము ఇవన్నీ వీడియోస్ చేసే క్రమంలో ఆ సుభాషితాల కోసం సంస్కృత సుభాషితాల కోసం వెతుకుతూ వాటి అర్థాలు నేర్చుకుంటూ ఎన్నో కొత్త విషయాలని ఎంతో దానిలో ఉన్న జ్ఞానాన్ని అందుకున్నాను. ఇది ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు నేర్చుకొని ఒక పాజిటివ్ ఎనర్జీ అనేది మన బాడీలో ఆ సంస్కృత భాషను పలుకుతున్నప్పుడే మనం చూడొచ్చు. ఒక ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిక్ వేవ్స్ అనేది మన చుట్టూ కూడా అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి అందరూ ఈ సంస్కృతాన్ని నేర్చుకోవాలని కోరుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటాం.